Hello everybody. In maths today we are converting grams to kilograms or kilograms to grams. There's two options of work. Activity 1 everybody does. Activity 2 you do, and if you feel really confident you do activity 3. You can choose. Now this is explaining activity 2. This is an idea. So here we have 1,000 grams, and we know there is one, that means 1 kilogram. So 1 kilogram, 1,000 grams. So if you use that idea, 2,000 grams must be 2 kilograms. 3,000 grams, 3 kilograms, etc. So when we're converting, sometimes we convert from grams into kilograms and grams. So for example, 1,000 grams, 1 kilogram. 2,200 grams, what does that equal? So what we can do here is find that this is 2,200 grams. So if it's 2,000, it must be 1,000 grams is 1 kilogram. 2,000 must be 2 kilograms. And how many grams are left over? 200. So another way of writing 2,200 grams is 2 kilograms, 200 grams. We could do it for here. So 3,800 grams. How many thousand? 3. So 3 kilograms. How many hundreds? 8. 800 grams. And one more example. It looks a bit trickier, but it's the same idea. 8,975 grams. How many thousands? 8. Therefore, 8 kilograms. And how many grams? 975 grams. So, that's if you want to convert grams into kilograms and grams. If you feel super confident with that, you can move on to activity 3. If that seems about the right level, then you can do this activity. So, activity 3, you need to convert from grams to kilograms and kilograms to grams. So, if we convert from grams to kilograms, we need to actually divide by 1,000, which sounds super tricky, but I've got a little trick to show you how to do that. So, if we have 2,200 grams, can you see that? Or do you need to come a bit closer, camera? Came closer. I did that with my mind. Now, we have 2,200 grams. Dividing this by 1,000. We know that our decimal point is here. And when we divide by 1,000, we move the decimal point 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. So this decimal point would go here. So it would be 2 decimal point 2 kilograms. We don't need these zeros anymore. I'm going to show you that again. The decimal point here is after the 0. How many times? Divide by 1,000. So 3. 1, 2, 3. So our decimal point goes here. So we have 3 kilograms, 0.85. We can put the 0 if we want, but we don't need it. It doesn't tell us anything else. I'll show you one more time. 5,943 grams in kilograms. So decimal point here, 1, 2, 3. It will be there. So I have 5 kilograms, 0.943. So 5.943. Now, if we go the other way, so we're going from kilograms to grams, instead of divide by 1,000, we need to multiply by 1,000. Again, it sounds tricky, but we need to do the same trick, but the other way. So our decimal point is here, and we need to go this way. So 1, 2, 3. this looks crazy. What am I jumping over? It needs to be zeros. So put those zeros in there, and the decimal point is now there. So it would be 5,500 grams. So 5.5 kilograms equals 5,500 grams. Now here, what do we need to do? Times by 1,000. So move the decimal point 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Add that extra zero in. So we have 1,250 grams. And the last one, 3 times, move the decimal point, 1, 2, 3. Now we've still got all those digits, so we don't need to add any zeros. We've got 8,732 grams. Okay, so that's one way of doing that. There are other ways, but I think that makes it a bit easier. If that is super duper tricky for you, stay with this activity. But if you feel confident, go for it. Good luck.